Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher on behalf of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to talking about subtraction part 2. Subtraction part 2. And dear students, our today's subject mathematics, topic subtraction part 1, lecture 21 and homework also 21. Let's start our class. So dear learners, our topic subtraction. At first let us know subtraction. Subtraction means take away or to remove the numbers. So the numbers always decrease and this sign is represent the minus sign. This sign is represent the minus sign. Now let's start how to do subtraction. At first here ones place, okay, subtracting by ones. There are ones place. So there are 3 sticks here, and as mentioned before, this minus sign is you have to remove the numbers or sticks. So you remove 1 stick. How many sticks you have left? Yes, here are 1 and 2. 2 sticks you have left. Now write on 2. Now next here are for tens place. Tens here is 5 sticks. Now I am draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you to remove 2. 1 and 2. And how many sticks are left? 1, 2 and 3. Here are 3 sticks. Finally for 100 place 2. Here are 2 sticks and you have to remove or take away 1. Here are 1. So how many sticks you have left? 1. So our answer is 132. 132. Now question number 2. We have to do same way. Here there are 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you have to remove 6 sticks or cut down 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 3. How many left? 1 and 2. Now you write the 2. Again tens place. Here are 4 sticks and 2 sticks. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have take away 2. How many sticks? 1 and 2. You write here 2. Now 100 place. Here are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have to remove or take away 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. How many left? 2. 1 and 2. 2 sticks left and our answer 222. Okay. Now move on question number 3. You start by subtracting from ones place. Here are 5 sticks. And you have to remove 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3. And how many left? 1 and 2. This is 2. And next tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many sticks we have to remove? Yes, here 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 sticks we remove. How many sticks we have left? Yes, 2 sticks we have left. Here are 8 and 3. Now again 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many sticks you have to remove? 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. And what are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You write here 5. And our answer 522. Now okay. Now last question, question number 4. 2, our ones place as 2 and 1, 1 and 2, and you remove 1, so you write here 1. Then tens place, go tens place. Here are 5 sticks. Now I am write 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to remove 2 sticks. So how many left? Now counting 1, 2, 3. 3. Now move on 100 place. Here are 100 place. 5 sticks is also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and how many? Remove 1, 2, 3, 4. So left, our left is 1. So you can write here 1. 131. So dear learners, you have to remember that subtraction means to take away or remove. Okay, the number always decrease, and your homework will be our homework 21 and homework CW for SW. Okay, homework CW to SW. So hope understood to this topic. Submit your homework on Saturday. Stay home, stay safe. Allah.